Hi everybody, welcome back. Here's how you can create pixel art in Adobe Illustrator using a rectangular grid. So there will be a rectangular grid with smaller squares, and we'll be filling some squares with a color or some colors, and then we're going to fill some other squares with another color. So let's start creating one. So click on the three dotted icon and then click on this rectangular grid tool. Click on the artboard and then set the number of horizontal and the vertical dividers to 40. Click on OK afterwards. Click on this one. Hold the shift key. Drag it just like this so that the dimension is equal. 1 to 1. Just like so. Let's, make a heart shape. So to do this, click on the shape builder tool. And then, let's say if we pick a red shade. Just like this, for example. Click on OK when you're done. And then we're going to, color this. Alright. Just hold the left click button on your mouse to pick the area that you want to make your pixel art out of. Just like this. Do it slowly. And then when you're done, let the left click button go. Fancy, you've created a heart. Let's make a star. So pick a shade of yellow. Click on OK and then create a star. Hold the left click button on your mouse to create a star. Just like this. So the shape builder will actually create a new shape from what we are selecting in this grid. Let the left click button go. Just like this. Ooh, fancy. You can even, add some more, area. Just like this. Do more of this. Once you're done, a star is created. Fancy. Now let's create a square. A pattern that consists of some, zigzag kind of motion. So let's color this light blue, for example, and then you simply just, hold the left click button on your mouse again. Just like this. Just like so. Fancy, you've created a pattern now. There's this, twirling kind of movement, just like so. And then when you're done, let's remove the outlines actually. So to do this, click on the down arrow next to stroke until it's at 0 points. Then actually select them all. Hold on. Choose this and then lower it down to 0 points. That's it. Fancy, you've created some, cute pixel arts just like this. Well, like pixelated, simple icons like this heart, this star, and this, twirling pattern just like this. That's how you can create this pixel art in Illustrator. You can even hold the shift key and then you zoom it in just like this. Thanks for watching, guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For me, it's good day. Ciao.